Welcome to our review channel for essential kitchen appliances. Today, we're going to talk about this incredible Air Fryer Ninja Pro 4-in-1. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've left the secure link to the website that sells this air fryer in the description. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 with a 5 QD capacity is an all-in-one kitchen appliance designed to revolutionize the way you cook. With dimensions of 14.84 inch dx 11.29 wx 10.39 h, it is compact enough to save space on your countertop while offering a substantial capacity to cook large meals. Featuring air crisp technology, this air fryer surrounds your food with 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air, delivering hot, crispy results with little to no oil, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its large capacity. The 5 QD nonstick basket and crisper plate can accommodate up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings, making it perfect for family-sized meals. The 4-in-1 functionality allows you to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, giving you versatile cooking options all in one appliance. This flexibility is further enhanced by its ability to cook frozen foods to a crispy finish in just minutes, which is perfect for those who need a quick and easy meal solution. Health-conscious users will appreciate that this air fryer reduces fat by up to 75% compared to traditional frying methods, as tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to enjoy their favorite fried foods without the guilt. The ease of cleaning is another significant advantage, as both the basket and crisper plate are non-stick and dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleanup process after cooking. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro is not just about functionality, but also user convenience. The included chef-inspired recipe book and cooking charts provide a wealth of ideas and instructions to help you make the most of your air fryer. Whether you're preparing crispy snacks or full meals, this appliance is designed to meet a wide range of culinary needs with ease. Positives. Versatility. With its 4-in-1 functionality, you can air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, offering a wide range of cooking options. Healthier cooking reduces fat by up to 75% compared to traditional frying methods. Large capacity. The 5 QD basket can handle substantial amounts of food, making it ideal for family meals. Ease of use. Simple controls and an included recipe book make it user-friendly. Quick cooking can cook frozen foods to a crispy finish in minutes. Easy cleanup. Non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe. Negatives. Size. While compact, it still requires counter space, which might be an issue in smaller kitchens. No temperature range for dehydration. Specific temperature settings for dehydration might be preferable for some users. Initial learning curve. Users new to air fryers may need some time to get used to the different functions and settings. Why buy or not buy? If you are looking for a versatile, efficient, and healthier way to cook your favorite foods, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 is a great investment. Its large capacity and multifunctionality make it perfect for families and those who love to cook a variety of dishes. The significant reduction in cooking fat is a major plus for health-conscious individuals. However, if you have very limited counter space or do not frequently cook large meals, you might want to consider a smaller or more specialized appliance. Overall, for its versatility, capacity, and health benefits, the Ninja Air Fryer Pro is a worthy addition to any kitchen. Let me know in the comments what you think of this Air Fryer Ninja Pro 4-in-1, and if you have any questions, write them down so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.